Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany from the Empurrium, and I have Thea with me. Alright, told her she could help. So today we're going to go through what I picked up at the Magical Expo in Nashville, Tennessee this past weekend. I'll just do this vlog as like a 13.5, and then I'll do my regular 14 for the 15th. Yes. Okay. I didn't get to shop a ton. I shopped a little bit. Hey, can you go up to the kitchen and get the big long roll of white? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, this kind of things?
Yeah, but it's like a big one. It's up at the top of the steps.
A ginormous one.
Yeah, or grab me that white one right there. You see it? Just realized I left something upstairs. The big, yep. I already have one, but I grabbed another. Okay, so I got another giant roll of the Fuse Plus from Castine Handcrafted. Ah, okay. Twyla gave me the cutest little bag, and she gave me Marie.
Let me see that.
She made it into a magnet instead of a pin.
It's so
So
cute.
oh, look, I can
Oh,
put it on my wish. Oh, that piece isn't magnetic. That is
it's so
cute.
cute.
All right, let's see here. I got a roll of clear with stars TPU vinyl. My little shindig, I think, is where that's from. Stop licking the knife. I got Thea some stuff and she doesn't know what it is yet. Let's see here.
I'm so excited for my stuff.
Yeah, from New Moxie, I got some of the mesh from by Annie's. I feel like there's some patterns that I want to use it for. What? No, not in this. And then I got a volunteer donate, foster, adopt zipper pull, and I got 2 pins. They're little kitties and plants. I'm gonna give one to Brianna.
Oh, you should give this one to Brianna.
I was thinking of keeping this one and giving her this one.
Oh,
Okay, I have one other thing from New Moxie, but I think it's buried in all these bags. Okay, from More Me Know, I got
Oh, that's pretty.
the Galaxy Roses
That's pretty.
Clear
That's
TPU.
That's
Yeah,
so
I got
cute.
2 of those. I got
Oh, she got 2.
the Groovy Ghosts Clear.
That's cool.
They're really cute.
That's
I got some rainbow watercolor roses frosted,
those are really cute.
and I got
Okay, I got pretty many of them.
watercolor dots frosted.
Oh, cute.
Thanks, Thea. Let's
So much
see
stuff for
here.
this live stream.
Yeah,
Can't wait for ice stuff.
calm down.
That's
I
too
got
exciting.
this pack of waterproof cotton.
Ooh.
It's pink roses and a solid pink.
You should
so they
make
go
something
together.
that should be only with that stuff, so they can wash it and stuff. Like,
It's waterproof.
okay, no.
Okay.
What?
Here you go. I got.
Oh, what's in that table?
Girl, calm down. I got some random hardware.
It sounds like some little keychains. A lot, actually.
Okay. I got random hardware, and then I also got some new woven labels.
Ooh.
So I got Finish What You Started, Human. I got
What's up?
Create Your Own Inspiration. It has Gigi on it. Always Hungry. I think those are the 3 I got. I got a bunch of them.
These are
Okay.
so
And then I got
cute.
something for Thea from Warmy Now. Would you like to sit down so I can show you? Because you're kind of in there. Alright, so Thea is going to learn how to sew.
Yes.
And she asked for some rainbow clips.
Yes! Oh, thank you,
Calm down.
Mom.
You're welcome. Some snips to cut her thread. So they're
Wait a second. I
One.
saw some different stuff. Oh, they have pretty flowers on them.
Yeah.
They're so cute, Mom.
and your own little ruler.
Thank you.
So this is the... Do I have this one? I must have this one. It's the teal to pink
Mom,
1 by 8
I'm
inch.
really
And I got you one other
so-
thing.
For real?
Yeah, from Lauren's booth. I got you your very own Not Today Bobbin shirt. Can you stand up? It's going to be kind of big. Actually, it's not horrible. So now you can match all of us.
Thank you.
You like it? All right,
But one thought.
sit down.
Where's my swing kit?
It's over. It's around here somewhere. It's fine. I got something else for you in here. Yeah. I grabbed some zipper tape from Zor-El. I feel like I have so much zipper tape, but I don't think I have teal with the
Is that one
iridescent.
for me?
No.
I was just thinking.
I got some zipper tape from Fandia fabric.
Oh, that's pretty.
I was trying to like get something from almost everyone. And then I got you a cup from Fandia fabrics.
Oh, that's cute.
And when you put cold water in it, the little confetti will turn purple.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go put some water in there right now.
No, you're gonna stay here until we're done. You wanted to be in the video.
I just want to put some water in.
So Majestic was giving out free yards of this super fun
Well, that's pretty.
zipper tape. I missed out on it, but she's like, I have less than a yard. I'll take it. I wanted clear zipper tape. I don't have any. Let's see. Okay, and then some stuff was in the bags. So this is just some stuff from K. Dill Handmade. So I already have one of these trash cans. Maybe you can have this for your sewing. You put your scraps in it. But my little shindig, she did the little trash can. Stop, sit down, or you're not gonna be in the video. Sit down or you're not gonna be in the video. What did I just
I want
say?
myself.
Yeah.
You want it?
Um,
Oh, that's a pretty bag.
Yeah?
Oh, that's cute.
yeah.
That's actually very cute.
I bought a USB BBQ lighter. I got this from Salty Sews. It does like a little like, it's a lighter with like an art. You can cinch thread and whatnot. I think that these are for threading
What are they?
your needle. Maybe, I'm not sure. Some zipper pulls and a pin, I think, from Zor-El. We've got a little bit of hardware from Corner Stitches, which is Catherine Briggs. She's so nice. My friends gave me some things, so I think I have some duplicate things. What is this? Oh, yes. Okay. I am excited about this. From So Awesome Supplies. Is that what, I'm so bad with all the names. Alma. I got, oh,
Is that a Luna sticker?
yes, I got a Luna sticker.
Or a Roxy sticker? Because we love Roxy.
And
she
then-
died.
Okay, please don't talk about it.
Okay.
I got some little enamel zipper pulls, cat
Wait,
bus,
hold on. Let me see.
the cat bus and calcifer. And
Look at this.
I got Rainbow blades. They're rainbow blades for my rotary cutter. I know I needed blades, and how can you say no to rainbow blades?
Adorable.
I got my first Kona thread from Saya Swag. I grabbed the minty color. I think it's like the brand new color. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Viandia fabrics, I think. There's a little post-it note thing and a lanyard. I got some flamingo webbing from So Majestic. I'm gonna make my mom something. You need to just sit and I'll hang on. These cute little rulers from When We Know were in the bag.
That'll be perfect to fit my little social thing.
I didn't really go to the nail social thingy.
Wait, what is that for me?
Hang on. But my friends gave me a couple pieces from it. So there's a, calm down, a nail stamping plate, the little stamper thingy, and some top coat. But Kira, my friend Kira, she saved this for me because it has cats on it. And then, I don't know if you can see it.
Oh my god!
There's the rainbow unicorn cat. Got my badge. Got a staff one this time. I guess so. How did my pen get in there? Some random hardware. A little duck from Off the Wall Quilts.
Oh jeez.
And there's the Nashville pool that New Moxie did. They were freebies, which was super amazing. And then from Hannah Woodworking, they gave me a little kitty magnet. Another magnet for the fridge.
Oh my god.
So, I think that's everything I got.
Mom, I have a perfect spot to put this.
We're making a video. Remember you wanted to do that? I think that's all I got. I took some clips from classes and some other random ones. The drive down there sucked. It was raining so bad. I didn't get to mingle a ton because I was in the closet the whole weekend, which is where everyone can bring their stuff and drop it off. And like we keep an eye on it. Oh yeah, I lost a nail. But I taught car trash cans on Friday, and that was really cool because out of the 15 people in the class, I think at least 10 had never used an industrial machine before. So we got to teach them, and everyone finished. It took us like 2 hours, which is crazy because for me, that's something I can sew in like 20 minutes. But when you haven't used the machine before. Anyways, so that was amazing. That was my intention. Like, this is a great class if you've never used an industrial, and to be able to do it at the beginning of the weekend was amazing. On Saturday, we did steering wheel covers, and that was fun. Everyone put them on their heads like they were like giant headbands, and that's how our like class photo went, so that was funny. And then the end of the day on Sunday, we did cat toys. A couple people couldn't come. The last class on Sunday ends up being like an interesting time, but we had a real small class and it was fun. Cat toys are like the most chill class ever. So the next So Magical Expo is in Florida in September, and I'll be teaching steering wheel covers again, and I'll also be teaching the clear and jelly Devon. Yes. What are you doing? The Gaylord in Nashville is gigantic. I thought Florida was big. I thought Texas was big. The one in Nashville is gigantic. That's all I can say. It is huge. So pretty inside. I think the food options at this one were my favorite so far. They have this place called Stacks where you can like build your own burger, and it was so good. I wanted to get another one, and it didn't happen. They had like a little pizza place, so good.
So cute.
And they had Cinnabon.
Oh no!
Again, so good. So anyways, yeah, if you're thinking about going, the Florida one is the biggest one because it's been around longer. It's gonna be a good time. There's gonna be a ton of different classes and different teachers. There should be like the most vendors there. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say other than you should try it. It's fun. Do you want to say anything?
Thank you for watching.
That's it? You excited to use your stuff to learn to sew soon? You're making the weirdest face.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll add the clips. They're pretty random. I tried to vlog and then I'm like, oh, I didn't catch this one moment, so now I ruined the whole video, but I didn't. It's fine. Anyways, bye. Say bye, Thea. Just got to Tiff's house. The car's all loaded up, ready to go. Tiff and I are getting Skyline. I'm introducing her to it. So good. Yay. We got Kira! Yay. Now we gotta go set up. Bye. So, our room is up there. So this is my car trash can class. We've got donut cats and roses. And we're finishing up the top piece right now. Almost done with class. Here's the first finished one. Donut cats. Just about done. There are a few that are just doing final top stitches. Look at my favorite helper! Steering wheel cover class. You're good. Donut cat.
I love the fried donut cats.
Yeah, I'll give you one in a second. Oh, look, a finished steering wheel cover. So I am running the closet where everyone can leave all their stuff.
Like everybody was taking a break, huh?
This is what lunchtime looks like. And then we have the machine rentals too.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, a little bit. You're good, Tiff. You're good.
The place we were eating at? Yeah, we were just like there.